Hi to all, welcomes to RAM's Android tutorials. Here we are going to discuss the concept of menus. In Android we have three types of menus. One is options menu, second one is context menu, third one is pop-up menu. But here primary menus are two types. Those are options menu and context menu. So in these tutorials we are going to discuss how to work with the options menu. You will see once how options menu looks like. See, if you open any application, you click the menu button. See, this is one option. Like that, multiple options will come. But you need to understand, for this screen only we are displaying one option. But if you go to another screen, right, you'll see, just I selected create new message. Again, I'm going to click the menu button. For this screen, again, three options came. Like that, in Android application, every screen is having its own options. So now let us see how to create that options menu. Let us create an project created, and here we'll see uh, these we are calling as options, but programmatically these three options we are calling as a three items. So you'll see this item is having the user interface called add subject. That means text it is displaying. But if you click these three options, we need to listen three separate actions for these three options, so that these three items we are defining under menu folder. So in the Android projects, you are creating the items for options. That means we are creating items for the menus under menu folder in the form of XML file only. So here defaultly they are generating one main.xml file for main activity. So here just we are going to keep the ID and text only. So ID is item underscore option 1. I'm creating four options, and this one is option 1. Like that we need to take four options. You see your choice, how many options you are taking. And ID is 2, option 2, and ID is 3, option 3, and ID is 4, option 4. Save it. Then we need to go to the Java code. So in the menus concept, mainly we are having two functions. One is creating menu, second one is listening action for that menu. So here we are creating menu using the method called onCreateOptions method. OnCreate options menu method, and we are listening action using onOptions item selected method. So in onCreate options menu method, we need to inflate the XML file that was creating the items, that is from menu folder. So how we are doing that one? Using inflators concept. So we have two types of inflators. One is menu inflator, second one is layout inflator. If you want to inflate the XML file from menu folder, then we use the menu inflator. If you want to inflate the XML file from the layout folder, we need to use the layout inflator. So here we need to use a menu inflator. First we need to get the reference for the menu inflator. How we are getting? Menu inflator equal to, we need to call the method called get menu inflator method. Then in the menu inflator class, we have a method called inflate method. First parameter we need to call the XML file, that is from menu folder. That's why we are calling r.menu.main. Next one, menu class object already has taken. Right, save it. Next, we need to check it out first of all whether we are able to creating the menu successfully or not. Right click on the project, run as Android application. Right, see, click the menu button. Now four options we have created, four options came. So successfully we are able to create the menu. Next we need to listen action for these items. You'll see no action here. For that purpose only we are using the method called onOptions item selected method. We have a four items, so we need to write a four blocks for these four items to listen action. For that purpose I am using a switch case. Whenever you are working with the multiple buttons, we are using the view class object there. So in that place we are using the menu item class. So this menu item class can access the all the items from the menu. So that menu item class object is item dot we have a method get item id. So this get item id method will return the selected option, that means on the selected item id. So simply we are writing the cases r dot id dot item underscore option 1, and toast we are writing dot make text and option 1 selected, and duration is toast dot length long dot show. In the same way we need to create how many cases? 4 cases. This is second case, third case, fourth case. This is 2 and option 2 selected, and this is 3, and here option 3 selected, and this is 4, here option 4 selected. Let us check the outputs. See, menu button displaying the menus. Click on option 2 selected, and click on option 4 selected. Thank you for watching. We will meet in the next tutorial.